Hello friends, today I'll discuss artificial intelligence and law. I think you might have heard about artificial intelligence and law, and it is not something new in today, because in Europe and America they are working on this artificial intelligence and law from last 5 to 7 years, and they are taking benefit of this artificial intelligence in legal sphere, but not the country like India. So it is good for us to learn the technicality of artificial intelligence and its relation with the law. As you know, India is a big country where more than 50% population is living below poverty line. It means they cannot afford expensive consultancy fee, and because of poverty, many of time it has been seen that they fail to get justice, and it is a basically failure of our justice mechanism. But at the same time, there are certain practical limitation as well. So for example, when anyone approach to a advocate, that advocate need to work on that problem and need to spend hours in the library, or need to search the latest material on that problem. So because of this, there is a high or expensive litigation cost. So there is an important question: how can we reduce that expensive litigation cost? And many of time it is not about litigation; it is all about consultancy only. So for example, a person who want to start a business, but he does not know anything about business. He does not know about the memorandum and article and the procedure involved behind the formation of company. So he just need to get advice, and these chartered accountant or advocate, they can assist them, but their consultancy fee is high. And what about a person who want to get advice on marriage subject, divorce, etc., etc., or a person who wants to get advice related to small scale industry, a person who want to get advice related to rent agreement, etc., etc. And there is an important fact that more than 80% revenue of legal sphere is not related to litigation. It is outside the court, and only 20% revenue is generated in litigation. So you can analyze the potential of that 80% revenue, or we can say that work which does not require a litigation or court proceedings, etc., etc. So for example, with the help of medical science, now we are in the position to tell different people, or tell that how a person take decision on the basis of neural structure of their mind. The same time, with the help of machine learning and this algorithm, basically machine learning is based on algorithm, and there are certain formulas, and with the help of those formulas, this artificial intelligence can assist us. For example, what about automated cars? So automated cars are now reality, and there are so many work in the corporate industry. There are being done by the artificial intelligence, and you can take example of your cell phone as well, and all the functions of your cell phone and any other important work also. You can just speak, and your artificial intelligence like Siri and Alexa, they could assist you, and most of the time they help you, and their results are very much accurate. And somewhere we can depend on to certain works like driving a car. Earlier it was thinking that driving a car is very difficult, but now it's not a difficult. With the help of 5G technology and artificial intelligence, we can depend on this artificial intelligence, because decision making ability of artificial intelligence is much better than the human intelligence, because there is lesser chances of distraction. Likewise, in legal sphere, there are more than 2000 different acts in India, and it is very difficult for even a lawyer to go through 2000 acts. And what about a person who is dealing with a different country and have business in different countries? So when it is about export and import, you need to have understanding of their legal system as well, and it requires extra labor. So that is why this kind of international advocates, they charge you very high. So with the help of this artificial intelligence, we can reduce the cost of legal consultancy, and because of this, millions of people will get benefit, because their requirements are very limited. At the same time, it is in fact difficult for human beings also to go through the data we get after the legal research. So the interpretation of data, it takes hours to interpret, and after interpreting or after filtering that data, we get desired result. But with the help of Boolean search, and there are certain search available on the legal search engine. So what we can do, we can connect this artificial intelligence with the legal search engine, and you will see the magic. Now that legal intelligence, artificial intelligence, have access to millions of acts and commentaries, judgment, and it can easily trace the requirement of an individual. So for example, if you want judgment related to a particular topic, and you can fix or you can tell the artificial intelligence that you need the latest Supreme Court judgment on that particular subject, and at the same time you can tell the artificial intelligence that I need a result during that period. So the artificial intelligence will help you, and definitely that is capable enough to help you by providing a specific result to you. And what about making contract? As we know that whenever it comes to draft a contract, we know there are certain formulas, and with the help of those formulas we can easily draft a better contract. So there are different clauses. So when a person want to have a draft on export and import, or simple rent agreement, or likewise, so there you need to enter keyword, and with the help of that keyword, the artificial intelligence would be in the position to make a draft as per your requirement. And most of the cases, it has been seen that it is all about changing the name of the parties, and after changing the name of the parties and certain fact, we can have a better agreement for that individual. Likewise, there are so many things. For example, a person who wants to apply for a partnership firm, or want to apply for this one person company, or company, limited company, or trust. So there are drafts available over internet, but it is difficult for any layman to go through that draft and amend it as per their requirement. But when a person speaks about their requirement to artificial intelligence, and on the basis of input given by an individual, artificial intelligence in the position to make a draft for that person. So it's a revolutionary thing, because of this artificial intelligence, now a layman can access to this kind of artificial intelligence, and they can get the legal consultancy. And we know that ignorance of law is no excuse, but ignorance of fact is excusable. So in that case, I think that we will be in the position to protect the interest of millions of people, and that will also assist the millions of people to start their own venture, because now they have access to legal information and different policies of the government, and on the basis of those regulations and policies they can choose their future. So I think future belongs to artificial intelligence, and we should work on artificial intelligence, because the more practice, for example, what about Alexa? So if you give more command to Alexa, there is a day when the result will be more accurate, likewise in artificial intelligence. So with the practice we will get more sophisticated kind of artificial intelligence, and that will definitely going to change our life. So thank you. I need your opinion if you want to work in the field of artificial intelligence and its impact on law. Thank you so much.